This is the new Vivo X200FE, the latest in the X200 series. However, this comes with a more compact body and a design change. Yet we get this really nice unboxing experience that a lot of phones don't have anymore. In the left box you will find your manuals and some other paperwork, but also a soft case. And then on the right you will have your charger and cable, which allows your phone to be charged up at 90 watt. And then the phone itself. I have this in this lovely blue color, though there are some other color options available as well. Design-wise, it's very different from the other X200 series, and it's also more compact than them apart from the Pro Mini, with a display size of 6.31 inches. And when you're used to phones being around 6.7 inches, it does really feel compact. For the camera system, we have a 50 megapixel main sensor, 23mm equivalent, an f-stop of 1.9 and a 1/1.56 inch sensor size. A 50 megapixel telephoto, 70mm equivalent, an f-stop of 2.7 and a 1/1.95 inch sensor size. And then honestly on paper a not so nice ultra wide, which is an 8 megapixel sensor with an f-stop of 2.2 and a sensor size of 1/4 inches. Max video recording is at 4K and 60 frames per second. For the front facing camera, it's a 50 megapixel sensor as well with an f-stop of 2.0, and it allows you to record videos up to 4K and 60 frames per second as well. It comes with the Dimensity 9300 Plus, which I'm actually fine with. The latest Snapdragon 8 Elite can get toasty in a good amount of phones. And I've had better experience with the Dimensity chip this year, and it also helps battery life when it doesn't get that toasty. Talking about battery life, now there's a two-sided story. In Hungary and Austria it is limited to a 5300 mAh battery, probably because of some laws there, because the rest of the world gets a 6500 mAh battery inside. In such a compact body, that's really crazy, and battery life should be excellent. For the colors that we spoke about, we do get some different options. We get Yellow Glow, which has a black frame, black locks, and Pink Vibe that also has this black frame, and naturally also this Blue Breeze that I'm having. It also comes with some AI features for those who care. AI 4-season portraits, which can be quite nice, AI Magic Move, AI Image Expander, AI Reflection Erase and AI Erase, and of course AI Photo Enhance. But naturally, as someone who loves photography to be a bit more organic, I won't be doing much with that, though I will test it out. So this is the Vivo X200FE. Stay tuned for more content on it, and if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.